Hey, Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today is Mr. Rudy. Rudy, how you doing, buddy?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing excellent on this hot afternoon.
Really hot day.
Absolutely. So what you working on today? I understand you're working on a custom lighting installation.
Yeah, we are working right here in Davidsonville. We already installed 14 lights in the house.
14 uplights?
Yeah, 14 uplights in the house, and we already everything was all ready for tonight.
All good for tonight, so we can demo it to the homeowner.
Yeah.
And then if she and he like all that installation, we're going to go to the next step, and then we're going to come back and add some downlights off the peaks.
Yeah, that's the
dormers.
one. Yeah, that's the one. He said we already put the downlights in.
So are these all controlled by the app on your phone?
Everything is already there. Yeah, we already set it up a timer by dusk on, and go off midnight. That is the one we already set it up and.
That's what he liked?
Yeah, that's the one.
I told you 7 to 11, but I was guessing.
Yeah,
he
told me we already put it by midnight. That's the one we already doing.
Okay. So how are the lights going to look tonight? Are they going to be halogen looking at 2,800 kelvins, or you got them at 45, really super bright, or what you got?
It's the one is in the middle. I think so. It's 200s or 2000s. Right in the middle today is when we already put it in.
In the middle?
Yeah, right in the middle.
In the middle will probably be 3,600
Yeah,
kelvins.
something like that. And yes, only we already turn it on and let it go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's all everything's going to be illuminated.
Everything
all
is
your
still
ups.
set it up. Yeah, all up lights.
That'll look nice.
We already the tree we already got already in the trees, and we already set it up another one underneath to the maple trees, and everything else already, and the columns and the walls.
That's going to look good.
Yeah, I think
So I can go up to each fixture tonight and
set
up
it
or
up
down.
and up.
Did you install any antennas yet?
I put 3 antennas. We already got
Did you?
one. Yeah, one in the middle to the maple trees. We already got another one close to in the middle to the columns, and the one in the corner to the house. There's 3 antennas
that'll
in there
work
to
nice.
make sure we already got a nice cover in there.
Okay. Do you have a program already set?
Yes, only we already turn it on, but I think so we need in the night we already reset it.
Okay. So I'll have to get us Wi-Fi.
Yeah, for
off
make
of that.
sure if we can try use my phone and the homeowner, we can pick it up with these lights. Yeah.
He's just moving in there, so I'm not sure if we have Wi-Fi yet.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I'll find that out tonight.
Yeah, that's
when I
the
pull
one
up.
we already think so look good in the nighttime.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll add some downs there, some fixtures, and maybe we will add some path lights. Graydon mentioned that earlier today. Maybe we'll add some path lights. I know they want to work on around the pool, and then some the birches down below.
Yeah, I think so. If we can put a couple more pot lights, I think so. Looks
I think
really
that would
good
give it all 3.
Yeah, I moved all the gravel back in the place we already got. The one we already removed last time. Everything still looks good.
Well, I'm gonna get Pastor tonight with my phone, get the app set up for him, and then I can transfer that over to their phone, and they'll have it.
Yeah, make sure the homeowner he want to go there.
Absolutely.
Take a look at it.
I appreciate you stopping in today, Rudy, and chatting with us.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. And stay tuned. We'll see you guys again next week with another episode.